Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Rising Sun. Today we will be discussing and solving a problem on marginal costing. So the question here has the data as following. Variable cost is 6 lakhs, fixed cost is 3 lakhs, profit 1 lakh and sales is 10 lakh. This data has been given to us and we are asked to calculate PV ratio, break-even point in sales, profit when sales is 12 lakh and what is the sales required to earn a profit of 2 lakh. First, we will understand that variable costs and fixed costs both together are total cost. Total cost is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost. Variable cost varies with the level of output. If the output or level of production is increased, the variable cost also increases. If the output or level of production is decreased, the variable cost decreases. But with any level of output or with any quantity produced, volume of production, the fixed cost will always remain constant. So variable cost varies with the output, but fixed cost remains constant. Both fixed cost and variable cost together make the total cost. We will solve the problem. First, we have been asked to calculate PV ratio. The formula for PV ratio is contribution upon sales multiplied by 100. Shortly we will understand what is PV ratio. So PV ratio is the ratio of contribution to sales. We get contribution after reducing variable cost from sales. So contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. And PV ratio is the ratio of contribution to sales. PV ratio expresses the relationship between contribution and sales. It measures the rate of change of profit due to change in volume of sales. By PV ratio, we can know what is the rate of change of profit with the change in volume of sales. If the PV ratio is high, it indicates that with increase in sales above break-even point, profit will increase at higher rate. And if the PV ratio is low, it indicates that with decrease in sales below the break-even point, profits will decrease. But the profit volume ratio remains constant for all level of sales volume. At any level of output, the ratio remains same. So now we have to calculate PV ratio over here. Contribution upon sales into 100. First we will calculate contribution. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. We have been given sales in the problem as 10 lakhs. Variable cost is 6 lakhs. We'll substitute the value. Ten lakhs minus 6 lakhs. So contribution C will be equal to 4 lakh. So PV ratio will be 4 lakh divided by sales, that is 10 lakhs multiplied by 100, comes out to 40%. Which indicates that with increase in 100 rupees of sale, the profit will increase by 40 rupees, and if the sale is decreased by 100, the profit will decrease by 40 rupees. So the PV ratio indicates the relation between the contribution to sales. In the problem, we have been asked to calculate break-even point sales. Break-even point is no profit, no loss situation. It is that level of output which we have to produce so that we will not have any profit and there is no loss even. So break-even point is that level of activity at which sales is equal to total cost. Total sales or revenue will be equal to total cost. It is that volume of sales or production where there is no profit, no loss. Hence, at break-even point, the total contribution equals to total fixed cost. At break-even, contribution will be equal to fixed cost. The formula for break-even: sales is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio. In the data, we have been given fixed cost, which is 3 lakhs. Fixed cost is 3 lakhs. Divided by PV ratio is 40%, so we will write 40 upon 100. Now solving this, we will convert division into multiplication, hence we will take reciprocal of 40 upon 100. So 3 lakhs into, it comes out to 100 upon 40. I have taken the reciprocal of 40 upon 100. Solving this, we get 3 lakh into 100 divided by 40. It is 7,50,000 rupees. 7,50,000 is the break-even sales. If your sales are rupees 7,50,000, you will be in a no profit, no loss situation. Break-even point is that level of output or that volume of sales where there is no profit, no loss situation. Then we have been asked to calculate the profit when the sales are 12 lakhs. If the sales is at 12 lakhs, what will be the profit? Let's calculate that. Here our target of sales is 12 lakhs. So what profit is earned? To calculate this, we will again use the formula for PV ratio. PV ratio is very important because the ratio itself indicates the relation between profit to sales. So PV ratio is equal to contribution upon sales. We will use this formula over here. Contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. We will substitute that formula here. Contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit upon sales. So here we have written the formula for contribution, which is fixed cost plus profit. By doing cross multiplication, we get sales into PV ratio is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Here F is fixed cost, P is profit. Now we are interested in calculating P, that is profit. So profit is equal to, rearranging this equation, we get sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. We have rearranged this equation. I am interested in calculating only profit. So now substituting the respective values, we can calculate the profit. Sales 12 lakhs, which has been given in the problem. You can see here. Into PV ratio, we have just calculated, that is 40%, minus fixed cost is given in the problem, ₹3 lakhs, so 40% of 12 lakhs comes out to into 40 divided by 100, it is 4,80,000 minus 3 lakhs, hence profit will be equal to 1 lakh rupees, 1,80,000. So if the sales is 12 lakh, the organization will earn a profit of 1,80,000. Next, here there is a desired profit of 2 lakhs. What will be the sales? If you desire a profit of 2 lakh, what should be the sales? Let's calculate this. You have to calculate sales required to earn a profit of rupees 2 lakhs. It's given here. To calculate sales here, again we will use the same formula for PV ratio, because remember PV ratio is nothing but ratio indicating the relation between sales and profit. So PV ratio is equal to contribution upon sales. Again in this problem I will be substituting the value of or formula of contribution, which is fixed cost plus profit. F represents fixed cost, P represents profit, upon S represents sales. Cross multiplying this, it will be sales into PV ratio is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Now I am having profit. I have been given fixed cost in the data. I have calculated PV ratio, and I need to calculate sales. Hence this can be written as sales. S is equal to fixed cost plus profit upon PV ratio. Substituting the values, fixed cost is 3 lakhs, desired profit is 2 lakhs. It has been given here. Divide by PV ratio is 40%, that is 40 upon 100. 3 lakh plus 2 lakh comes out to 5 lakhs. By solving this, it will be 5 lakh upon 40%. So it can be further solved. 5 lakhs into 100 upon 40. I am converting the division into multiplication, and so I have taken reciprocal. Now solving this, we will calculate 5 lakhs into 100 divided by 40. It is 12 lakhs 50,000 rupees. 12 lakh 50,000. So if we desire a profit of 2 lakh, the sales should be 12 lakh 50,000. In this way, we have calculated PV ratio, BEP, profit when sales amounted to 12 lakh, sales when sales required to earn a profit of 2 lakh. Hope students, this video was useful to you and you could understand the concepts very well. Thanks for watching my video. If you find my video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.